Hello everyone, welcome to the installation tutorial and introduction to the user interface of Webots so that you can get some basic concepts to get started with Webots. For your CSE461 lab, we are going to use Webots. It is a simulation environment which you can emulate various real-world settings. So the first thing that you want to do to get started is download the Webots software. So to download it, you have to go to the cyberbotics.com, this website, and hit this drop-down menu to select the operating system that you are working on. Actually, when you will go to this website, it will automatically detect whether you are on Ubuntu or Windows or Mac like this. So as I am working with the Windows, so I will download the Windows installation file, and so when you will click on it, the download will be started, and you will get a installation file in your PC, and so after that you can run it and install it. So I have already installed it on my PC, so I will just open it. So let's know about the user interface. Webots' graphical user interface is composed of four principal windows. At first, the 3D window, which is in the central part, this one actually occupying most of the interface. This displays and allows you to interact with the 3D simulation. And in the left, you can see this is called the scene tree, which is a representation of the current world. It defines all of the objects in the world. On the right side, this is called the text editor that allows you to edit the source code. And finally, at the bottom, and this is called console, that displays both compilation and controller outputs. Messages and data from the control programs can show up directly in this area. On the top, you can see there are total 9 menus. So, like first one, the file. This one, the file menu, allows you to perform usual file operation. As example, creating new world that will open a new world in the simulation window, opening recent world like loading, saving, etc. Actually, one of the interesting option here you can see that is import 3D model. So like this option allows us to import the complex objects that were modeled in a 3D modeling program such as SketchUp, Blender, Filmbox, 3D Studio, and a lot. Here it is the edit menu. Edit is a usual text edition function such as copy, paste, cut, etc. Then here is the view menu. This is one of the interesting menu also. It has many options. You will learn it slowly when you will get more video lecture, when you can you will see actually what you have to do with all the options. I will give you just an overview right now. The view menu actually allows you to control the viewing in the simulation window, this window actually. So it will enable the full screen item, or it can disable the full screen item displaying the 3D window on the entire screen. Okay, the next is the simulation menu. It is used to control the simulation mode, like the pause. At first, the pause menu item actually, and the pause menu item pauses the simulation. If I click it, you can see it pauses the simulation. Next, tape menu item. It executes on basic time step of simulation. Next, this is real time, and this real time menu item runs the simulation at real time until it is interrupted by pause or step. Next, the first menu. If I click it, you can see the first menu item is like real time, except that it runs as fast as possible. Here you can see all this menu, like it is the simulation menu, and this one actually, this is the rendering menu item. Like rendering menu item disables or enables the graphical rendering. Build menu provides the functionality to compile controller code. So this is overlays menu, which provides actions specific to rendering devices. If you need like camera, display, rangefinder, etc. Next, it is tools menu, allows you to open or hide various Webots windows like the scene tree. This window, if you uncheck it, like you can hide. You can see that previously in the left side there was scene tree windows. So if we go again to tools and check it, and it is visible again. Okay, if we click on the tools, the text editor, if we uncheck it from the right side, so you can see it is not here now. And if we want to make it visible again, like text like it is, the text editor is visible again. Documentation menu item, like this one, shows or hides the offline Webots documentation window. The restore layout, this one menu item restores the factory layout of the panels of the main window. So like if we hide this one, also like this one, and again if we want to restore, like okay, this one, this is the wizards menu, makes it easier to create new project and new controllers. And next, this is help menu. When we install this Webots, you can see like user guide. From here, actually, you can resume it, and you can see various robots model from here. And if you need any help, like you can see, like there are many question here. So if you click it, if you need any help, you can go here and you can see. That was a brief introduction about the user interface. Thank you everyone.